Find the circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 3, 0, minus 2, minus 3, 1. So first to draw the triangle. This is A and this is B and this is C. Now A means 1, 3, B means 0, minus 2 and C means minus 3, 1. Here problem is circumcenter. Let us assume the circumcenter S. So here is equidistance SB, SA and SC. So S means X, Y. So now solution, let A 1, 3, B 0, minus 2, C minus 3, 1. Let S, X, Y be the circumcenter. From figure, SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. So therefore, SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Now let us take SA is equal to SB. SA is equal to SB. This implies SA square is equal to SB square. This implies SA means the distance between S and A. So H2 minus H1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. So that is square root of H2 minus H1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. That is X minus 1 whole square plus Y minus 3 whole square. SB means X minus 0 whole square plus Y plus 2 whole square. X minus 0, Y plus 2. Now expanding A minus B whole square form. X square plus 1 minus 2X. Y square minus 6Y plus 9 equal to X square. Here expanding Y square plus 4Y plus 4. X square, Y square, X square, Y square gets cancelled. Now this is minus 2X minus 6Y. 9 plus 1 means 10 equal to 4Y plus 4. Now send this one. 2X plus 6Y minus 10 plus 4Y plus 4 equal to 0. This implies 2X 6Y plus 4Y, that is 10Y, minus 10 plus 4, that is minus 6, is equal to 0. Now this is dividing by 2. X plus 5Y minus 3 is equal to 0. So here A1 is equal to here. A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to 5, C1 is equal to minus 3. Now let us take another condition. SB is equal to SC. SB is equal to SC. SB means distance between S and B. That is SB square is equal to SC square. This implies X minus 0 whole square plus Y plus 2 whole square equal to SC. X plus 3 whole square plus Y minus 1 whole square. Now expand in X square, Y square plus 4Y plus 4 equal to X square plus 6Y plus 9, Y square minus 2Y plus 1. X square, Y square, X square, Y square gets cancelled. Now that is, here is 4Y, here is 6. The X square, X plus 3 whole square means this is X, students. So now that is 6X minus 2Y plus 10. This is minus 4Y minus 4. This is 6X minus 6Y plus 6 is equal to 0. This implies X minus Y plus 1 equal to 0. Here A2 is equal to 1, B2 is equal to minus 1, C2 is equal to 1. A1 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to 5, C1 is equal to minus 3. And A2 is equal to 1, B2 is equal to minus 1, C2 is equal to 1. So therefore, now this is equal to, students, this is call it as equation 1 and this is call it as equation 2. So solving the equations 1 and 2. Therefore, point of intersection is equal to B1C2 minus B2C1 by A1B2 minus A2B1, C1A2 minus C2A1 by A1B2 minus A2B1. This is equal to B1C2. Here B1 is 5, C2 is equal to 1. That is B1C2 means 5 minus B2C1. Minus 1 into minus 3, 3, that is 3 by A1B2 minus 1 minus A2B1, that is minus 5. Next, C1A2, that is minus 3 minus C2A1, that is minus 1 by A1B2 minus A2B1 means minus 1 minus 5. This is equal to 2 by minus 6 minus 4 by 6, that is equal to minus 1 by 3 comma that is minus minus gets cancel 2 by 3. Therefore, circumcenter S is equal to minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Find the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are minus 2 comma minus 1, 6 comma minus 1 and 2 comma 5. First let us state A minus 2 comma minus 1, B 6 comma minus 1, C 2 comma 5. Let O be the orthocenter of triangle ABC. Now draw the triangle. So this is triangle ABC. A, B, C. Minus 2 comma minus 1, 6 comma minus 1, 2 comma 5. So this is altitude AD and this is altitude BE. Altitude, students. Now first to find out slope of BC. First to find out slope of BC is equal to, slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is y2 minus y1. That is 5 minus or minus plus 1 by 2 minus 6. That is equal to 6 by minus 4. That is equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is slope of BC. Since BC is perpendicular to AD, that implies slope of AD is equal to 2 by 3. Slope of BC means minus 3 by 2 and slope of AD is 2 by 3. Now find out the equation of AD. Equation of AD is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is y minus y1 point. That is y1 means minus 1 plus 1 m slope 2 by 3 x minus x1 minus or minus plus 2. Now cross multiplying 3y plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 4. This is 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to 1. This is equation 1. So this is the equation of AD. Next find out slope of AC. Slope of AC, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 5 minus or minus 1. 5 plus 1 by 2 plus 2. That is 6 by 4. 3 by 2. Since BE perpendicular to AC, that implies slope of BE is equal to minus 2 by 3. This is 3 by 2. Perpendicular means minus 2 by 3. So therefore, equation of BE is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So point B is 6 comma minus 1. Slope is minus 2 comma 3. Substituting. So y minus y1 means minus 1, that is plus 1. M minus 2 by 3. X minus x1 means 6. This is equal to cross multiplying 3y plus 3 is equal to minus 2x plus 12. This is 2x plus 3y plus 3 minus 12 equal to 0. So that is 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Now here A2, A1, B1, C1 means this one. And now here A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to 3, C2 is equal to minus 9. And A1 is equal to, we know, A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to minus 3, C1 is equal to 1. Now find out point of intersection. Call it as 1, student. This is 2. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Therefore, point of intersection is equal to B1C2 minus B2C1 by A1B2 minus A2B1, C1A2 minus C2A1 by A1B2 minus A2B1. Now substitute in, students, B1C2. This is B1, students. B1C2 minus into minus plus, students, that is 27 minus B2C1 so that is equal to B1C2 means 27 minus B2C1 3 into 1 3 by A1B2 6 minus A2B1 that is 2 into minus 3 minus 6 C1A2 2 minus C2A1 that is minus 18 by A1B2 minus A2B1 means 6 minus of minus 6. So that is equal to 24 by 12. This is 20 by 12. Now cancel, that is 12 twos. This is 5 by 3. Therefore, orthocenter equal to 2, 5 by 3. All the best, students. Please subscribe my channel and like it for better videos.